Well, hello there guys, it's WinClient here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Windows Vista extended kernel as well as take advantage of the new functionality it offers. Now if you're new to this channel you might be wondering, well, what is the Windows Vista extended kernel exactly? So basically all the extended kernel is, it's a modification to the Windows Vista kernel made by a user named Win32, and what this kernel does is it adds new functionality to Windows Vista to allow it to run modern applications such as the latest versions of Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. As you can see here, I can now run the latest version of Google Chrome at the time of this recording, version 105 on Windows Vista with no problems. Without the extended kernel, Windows Vista would only be able to run version 49 of Chrome, with version 50 working unofficially, which is now nearly 7 years out of date now. So big thanks and shout outs to Win32 for all of his hard and amazing work on the extended kernel for Vista. So the first thing you want to do before you install it is you want to go to this link that I will post in the description, and you want to make sure before you do anything, you want to make sure that your system is 64-bit. So you want to go to Computer, right click on it, click Properties, make sure that this says 64-bit operating system, because if this says 32-bit right here, unfortunately you cannot install the extended kernel and I don't recommend it. So do not install the extended kernel if you have a 32-bit operating system. After determining that you do in fact have a 64-bit version of Windows Vista, you also want to make sure, shouldn't have closed that, you also want to make sure that you have Service Pack 2 installed. If you don't have Service Pack 2, I will post a link in the description where you can download it. If no Service Pack is listed here, you will actually need to install Service Pack 1 first and then install Service Pack 2, so I will in fact post links to both of them in the description so you can install them. After installing whatever service packs were necessary, you want to install this cumulative update, which is listed here on the website. And in order to download it, you want to click on where it says Security Update for Windows Server 2008 for 64-bit systems. You want to click the download button here next to that, because although it doesn't say Windows Vista, Server 2008 is merely an edition of Windows Vista. It is the server edition of Windows Vista, so therefore you can use the Server 2008 updates on Vista. So all you have to do is download and install this. I've already done so, so that's not necessary for this system. Then you want to download the platform update for Windows Vista. Right here for Windows Vista x64 systems, you want to make sure that's installed. And then after doing that, you can download the extended kernel. So you would click on main download here. Then you would click on download. I've already done that, so I don't need to do that. And another thing you'll want to download is the Media Foundation Update installer. So you want to click on the main download for it. Now this one's going to be a little different. What it will do is it will automatically highlight the file that you need to download instead of showing it like a big preview like it did for the other one. So all you have to do, see it's selected it already for you, so all you need to do, you don't need to click anything else in here. You just click on the download button, and then it will download it for you. But I've already done that, so I don't need to do that again. And so, after you download the extended kernel and the MF-Plat setup, you want to go in here. You'll extract the MF-Plat with 7-zip. I'll also put a link to that in the description because you do need 7-zip to extract it. And after you extract it, you want to copy these files into a folder on your desktop and just name it 1, or just any single character will work. Just make sure that it does not have spaces in it. So after doing that, you want to run it as an administrator, and then you can press any key to continue. You want to make sure that you run it as an administrator. So you can see there's no need for me to do it because I've already done it. But you would do that. And then after doing that, you can install the extended kernel. I think you have to restart after doing that, but I don't need to, it's already installed. So then you want to go, after you extract it, you'll go into the Vista Xkern setup, and you'll find setup.exe. You want to right click on it and click run as administrator, and then you want to press any key to continue the setup. And there, as you can see, it finished very quickly, so you can just exit that, close out of it. Then we're going to restart, and I will come back after the system has restarted. Okay, so now the latest version of the extended kernel is installed. So the next thing you'll want to do is go to the computer folder, go to your local disk where Vista is installed, go to Windows, and I'm pretty sure this file gets created automatically, but if not, it's very easy to create one yourself. But it's called osver.ini. If you do need to create one yourself, all you have to do is go into Notepad. You want to just you want to type in the following text. I will post in the description. So global, you like all this right here, you want to put that in there like that. So I'll post this in the description so that way you have it. And so that way you can just copy and paste it in, and you just want to click File and Save As, and save it to your desktop as osver.ini, and then you can copy and paste it into your system directory. And now you should be able to add things to it, and this is what you will need in order to install modern applications on Vista. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So I'm going to download the latest version of Firefox for Vista. Well, the latest version of Firefox that will run on the extended kernel. I think the absolute latest version doesn't work at this very moment, but anyway, I'm going to go to About Firefox. I think this is 102 ESR. So we'll go to the FTP server. And right here, Mozilla, so Firefox 102.4.0 ESR, that's the latest version of it. And then we'll go to 64, Win64, that's what we need. And I'm in English US. Then we'll download this exe file. That last video, and I'm like, wow, it's already been that long. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you did, like if you did. If you didn't, that's fine too. But anyway, thanks again.